Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for those of us over the age of 30 here on YouTube. And normally we talk beauty, but today we're taking a slight detour and talking about what's new to me, though I looked it up and it seems like this was done before. FabFitFun Style. FabFitFun Style. So I am going to open this box and we'll see what we think about it. Okay, so I received an email about a month ago, maybe a little over, from FabFitFun saying they were starting a style collection, meaning they would send clothes, some accessories, etc. And would I be interested in being in this test group or whatever? And I mean, who knows? There could be 50,000 people in the test group. I don't know. And so I filled out the form, and it works very much like Stitch Fix. If you've heard of Stitch Fix, you get charged $20, and then if you like everything inside, you get a full 20% off. If you're only going to use certain items, you get a smaller amount off, or maybe you don't get anything off, you just purchase those items. And I'd never done Stitch Fix, had always been kind of curious. I love my FabFitFun boxes, so I thought, okay, I'll give this a whirl. Now, I did some research and it looks like they tried this a year ago, and because there's some videos on YouTube about it, and then I never heard anything. So I don't know if they like tried it and then realized they had to change some things and have rebranded, but I will say, as I cut this open, filling out the form, it was much more thorough than the Stitch Fix form. While I have not done Stitch Fix, I have filled out the form twice. This one asked a lot of questions about your body shape, your style, including workwear, homeware, trendiness, body conscious clothes, or bodycon clothes, which means the tight clothes. It's the opposite of what the name sounds like. But anyway, so I have not opened this at all. This is completely sealed. I've been sitting here scraping it open while talking to you. So we are going to see what I get. They even have you do a Pinterest board, so I did the Pinterest board. Okay, sorry, that killed all the light. So you get, okay, I'm gonna totally keep the cute paper clip. So it says, welcome to FabFitFun Style. I am super excited to update your wardrobe with new fall looks. I started off with the Seville pant. Okay, I don't want to know what's in it, but it's from Stacy. It's on this cute little card. I don't want to read that yet until I go through it. The one thing I did notice is that you only have 3 days to decide and turn it back in. So like this came last night to my parents' place, because living in an apartment, it's a little rough. And so I picked it up from them today. It's like, do I only have till tomorrow to turn this back? But it says, love your looks. Your $20 goes towards the price of any item, so that's good. Return the rest. Drop off the prepaid envelope at any FedEx location. This is the envelope. Did your stylist nail it? 25% off if you keep it all. So, and then on the back it shows what they gave me, but I don't want to see that. I know there's a pant. Okay, there's a bag. I wondered, I'm like, this is heavy. So, it's hard for you to tell, but it came wrapped like that. So it looks like there's a bag and all my other stuff is behind it, or in it. Oh my gosh, this bag is heavy. Okay, I am probably not keeping this bag. This bag is a studded satchel from Mystique. So, studded sides, black. How much is this bag? Vegan leather. It's just not me. Okay. It is a $52 bag. Oh no, it's not. No, I would never pay $52 for this bag. I can go down to the fashion district and get this bag. No shade, FabFitFun, but like, no. Okay, now here are all the clothes. So a light pink, very wrinkled shirt, really oversized. It says it's a medium. It's got a tie, little tie front detail. Can you see that? There we go. Very much not, let's get the lighting back. Very much not my style, and I never pick this color, but that's kind of why I wanted to do this, to see if I'd like stuff or not. I hate that it's so insanely wrinkled. And how much is it? I mean, depending on price, I might not even try on. It is $38. Okay, we'll see. This has my name written all over it. It's super soft. Oh, there is something in here that just, no. Okay, this I'm into. This is super soft. This is, I would live in this stuff. This is from Lazy Sundays. It's that like, I don't know how to describe it, that super, super soft, like cotton. This is a size small. Okay, yeah, because this is huge. So it's got a cute little tie back detail, V-neck front. It is higher in front, lower in back. I'm obsessed with it. This is comfy. Anything that's just comfy and gray, I'm into. This is $42. Okay, but after my $20 it's already been spent, this is $22. So this I will try on. I will probably keep. I will also try this on just to see. I don't think it's me. Okay, this next thing. Y'all, they did not get my style right. Like, other than that one top. No. This is not good. Oh god, this is terrible. This leather jacket, hold on, let's stand up. I want you to take this in. This is a leather jacket that is like pleated all the way around. This is just, this is not me. I mean, please, can you just see the detail? That's the arm. The whole thing is this way. That's a hot no. That's a no-go. That's $98. No. Okay, and then last are these pants. Now, I could use black pants. Oh no. Okay, so they're kind of like a ponte pant, but they have details on the side that you can, nope, you can't even tighten them. It's just like a detail belt. But if it's a ponte pant, so there's no seam. I would never wear anything where you'd even be able to see this. It's got stretch to it. It's really cheap looking fabric. Okay, this is a bit of a bust. I don't think I'm continuing this. It's from Stoosh, made in Vietnam. These pants retail at $52. Now, I will give some credit of, maybe it's because I said I didn't want any item over a certain price point, but still, this is not good. So I'm gonna try on the two items. Actually, I mean, no, let's be real. I'm never gonna wear that twist front top. So this is definitely going. I don't know how this wouldn't look okay, but I'll try it on, and then I'm gonna have to take all this to FedEx ASAP, because other than this, it's a bust. So that was the try of FabFitFun, FabFitFun Style. Now, I still have my FabFitFun boxes. You know, the seasonal boxes, those are great. I love the edit sale. This is something they're trying, and they're trying to get a hold of. The interesting part is I found somebody's blog from last year where they got it, and they said they didn't get my style right at all, and the clothes she got were kind of like cheap and just not in looking. It was kind of interesting, and now I'm seeing that for myself. So they're gonna need to get a little more together. I do like that she tried to get these things that worked together. I can see that, but it's just not me. So probably gonna keep this because I paid $20 anyway, and I'd rather it go to something than nothing. But yeah, that's it. If you want to see how great the FabFitFun boxes are, I will put a playlist down here as one of the description cards right now, but be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you back on makeup stuff in the next one. Bye!